Top 5 Best Pet Ramps. Number 5. Pet Gear Tri-Fold Ramp 71-inch. Is your pet a large dog breed? If yes, then this will be definitely the best ramp for your FIDO. This tri-fold ramp from Pet Gear is wide enough to securely support large breed dogs. In addition to being extra wide, it also has great weight limit support. This compact tri-folding pet ramp can be folded up to compact size that helps it in easy transportation, which increases its portability. The built-in carrying handle provided in it is an added bonus. Key features: compact tri-folding extra wide dog ramp. Skid-resistant surface safe for dog's paws that prevents from slipping. Easily folds up and opens within seconds. Carry handle provided for easy transportation. The skid-resistance textured surface not only provides traction, but it is also safe to your dog's paws. The soft yet high traction surface is also safe for pet parents as well as the vehicle, as it won't scratch. For more stability, safety tether is provided that you can attach to the car to make the ramp more secure. In addition to this, to prevent it from sliding, the bottom of the ramp has rubber grippers to maintain its position. Coming in number 4. Gen 7 Pets Natural Step Ramp for Pets. This natural ramp from Gen 7 Pets is one of the softest ramps with polygrass grip on the walking surface. The grass surface is not only soft to the dog's paws, but it also provides sufficient grip that prevents your pooch from slipping. This natural step ramp is lightweight and portable and has a built-in soft rubber grip carrying handle via which you can easily take it from one place to another. It is also easy to open and fold, which makes it easy to use. Moreover, the automatic locking latch secures the ramp closed, so there will be no accidental unfolding of the ramp. Key features: polygrass allows the dog to get a grip while walking up a soft surface that will not scratch its paws. Lightweight, easy to open and close, and carrying handle provided for portability. The ramp folds up to thin compact design that is easy to store. The ramp can be easily folded up to a thin compact size that makes it easy to store. You can easily keep it in the back of the SUV or under the bed or couch. The soft grass grip also makes it perfect for puppies with soft paws. Note, if you have a pet that has very soft paws which scratch even on slightly rough or hard surfaces, then this ramp is definitely perfect for your pet. Coming in number 3. PetSTEP Original Folding Pet Ramp. The PetSTEP Original Folding Pet Ramp is a bifold ramp that can be used indoors as well as outdoors. It can be easily folded in half for easy storage and portability. The is designed in such a way that it opens and closes in seconds without any hardware. Moreover, molded ergonomic carrying handles are provided on both sides for portability. Unlike cheaper ramps, this one has a unique and soft non-slip rubberized surface that provides superior traction in wet as well as dry conditions. Since no sandpaper or carpet is used on the walking surface, so it is also very soft and safe on paws. Key features: superior traction, soft non-slip rubberized surface. Universal non-slip grip, fits all vehicles and edges. Advanced composite plastic construction. Moreover, the ramp is made from advanced composite plastic construction that will not rust or corrode. It can be also easily cleaned with the help of soap and water. Coming in number 2. PrairieView Industries SFW 330. This portable single fold ramp from PrairieView Industries is a heavy-duty ramp that can be used for dogs to help them reach the destinations that are high. It is also the widest ramp, 30 inches wide, from the ones that we have reviewed here. The large width of the dog ramp makes it more suitable for indoor use rather than using it outdoors for vehicles. However, you can use it for large vehicles, but it'll be slightly heavier as compared to other lightweight ramps. It also includes a carrying handle with the help of which you can transport from one place to another whenever required. Key features: extra wide heavy-duty dog ramp. The welded fabrication in this ramp makes it sturdier as compared to revet ramps. Covered with high-traction anti-slip skid-resistant tape. The ramp needs to be assembled to use it. A proper instruction manual is included along with it, through which you can easily assemble it simply by following the instruction. Optional service is also provided which includes expert installation, so if you do not feel like doing the installation part yourself, then you can include the installation service too. Moreover, after installation, stability testing of the ramp is also included in the expert installation service. The structure of the ramp is made durable and sturdy with the help of welded fabrication rather than riveting. Welded joints are considered more stable and long-lasting as compared to riveting. It is covered with anti-slip resistant tape for high traction so as to prevent your pooch from slipping. The extra-wide dog ramp is wide enough to accommodate wheelchairs, strollers, carriers with various wheel configurations. The ramp can be also made more stable and safe with the help of security pins provided on it. The larger size of this ramp makes it a little heavier, but considering its durability, one should not deny buying it just because it is heavier than other dog ramps, especially if you want to use it indoors. Note, although this ramp is not specially designed for dogs, still it is very appropriate to be used as a dog ramp. Coming in number 1. PetSafe Happy Ride Extra Long Telescoping. Enjoy your adventurous trip with your pet with the help of PetSafe Happy Ride Extra Long Telescoping Dog Ramp. Use this telescoping ramp to help your FIDO friends to get in and out of the car, truck, or SUV all by themselves. This extra-wide telescoping ramp has adjustable sizing which allows you to change the length of the ramp depending upon the requirement. The telescoping feature also makes it compact and thus requires less storage space while not in use. Key features: extra long adjustable size telescoping dog ramp. Made from strong, durable and lightweight aluminum material. High traction surface to prevent slipping and side rails for safety. Folds up to a small size to store easily. For the safety of your pup, it has a high traction surface that prevents your dog from slipping and side rails keep your dog from falling when walking on the ramp. It is made more secure with the help of safety latches provided. It is not only light in weight but it is durable and long-lasting. To make it durable, strong aluminum material is used to make the frame, which makes it support weight up to 300 pounds. The surface of the ramp is non-slippery but also rough, which may not be liked by puppies with very smooth paws as they may find it very rough. Overall, this is the best dog ramp, especially for outdoor use. The adjustable feature also makes it versatile, that allows you to use it on vehicles or any other place. Note, a premium dog with the best specifications but a higher price as compared to other products. This extra long telescoping dog ramp has adjustable sizing, compact design, and lightweight and portable, which makes it versatile for use.